Hi friends, welcome back to Devika's Wonder World. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing the new Deluxe dollhouse from the company Toy Zone. Actually, I've got this dollhouse on my birthday. This is actually available in Amazon. So anyways, let's not waste time and let's get into the video. There are 7 rooms in this dollhouse that are bathroom, bedroom, terrace, garage, dining room, living room, and family room. With this Deluxe dollhouse, we also get stickers. So, in all these furnitures, we just need to stick the stickers, and voila! The furnitures are all beautiful and ready. Now is the time to stick staircase rails, wall stickers, and floor carpets. I am arranging all the furnitures in its respective places. This is the living room. Now I am arranging the kitchen and dining table. Next comes the bedroom. The bathroom, the family room, the terrace, and the garage. In this house, we get cute little 4 characters: child, father, mother, and another child.